If you're having trouble enabling multiplayer in FIFA 24, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back to playing with friends. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by trying to access other online services or running a speed test. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and install any available patches or updates. Step 3. Verify game settings. Go into the game settings and ensure that multiplayer options are enabled. Look for any settings related to online play and make sure they are turned on. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. By following these steps, you should be able to enable multiplayer in FIFA 24 and enjoy playing with others. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.